Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about time on your clock. Okay. In previous class we have already seen a clock. Okay. So in that clock we have a 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. So now today we are going to learn about time on a 12-hour clock. In 12-hour clock, the hour hand on a clock takes 12 hours to complete one full circle. It completes 2 full circles in day or in 24 hours. It means a hour hand will take one full circle, it will take a 12 hours. Okay, so it completes a 2 full circles. We have to denote it in that one day, that is 24 hours. Okay, on a 12-hour clock, that is 24 hours in the day. It is divided into 2 parts, that is AM and PM. AM already we know, that is ante-meridian, and PM is post-meridian. Okay, so now ante-meridian, that is AM, is from midnight to noon or midday. It starts at 12 at night and ends at 11:59 in the morning. Next, PM is from noon to midnight. It starts at 12 noon and ends at 11:59 in the night. So here we have to see the difference between ante-meridian and post-meridian. Okay. In this picture, it's very clear to see AM and PM. AM is midnight to noon and then PM is noon to midnight. For example, woke up in the morning, that is 6 o'clock in the morning, that is 6 AM. Okay, go to office 8:30 in the morning, that is 8:30 AM. Go to play 6 in the evening, that is 6 PM. Next thing we are going to learn about time on a 24-hour clock. Listen carefully. On a 24-hour clock, the day begins and ends at midnight only. There are 24 hours in a full day. Here, one full day it will take a 24 hours. Okay, railway times and airlines times follow 24-hour clock format to keep track of the time and avoid confusion. Next, see the 24-hour clock. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12-hour clock, and inside of that we have a 24-hour clock time also. Already we studied this thing. Again you have to recall this. Okay. Next thing, we follow the steps in the table to convert between the 12-hour to 24-hour. See the timetable, 12-hour to 24-hour format. AM time remains the same. Okay, expect that 12 AM is 0000 in 24-hour format. That means we don't change the AM, that is ante-meridian time. Next thing, if the time is in PM, add 12 to the number of hours. Okay, if the time is PM, we have to add the number 12. Next thing, 12 PM is 12 in the 24 hour. 12 PM is same, 12 in the 24 hours format. Okay, next thing, 24 hour to 12 hour format. How we can convert into 24 hour to 12 hour format? See the rules. First thing, for hours from 1 to 11, write the time in AM with the same number of hours and minutes. Okay. Next, if the hour is 12, write the time in PM with the same number of hours and minutes. This also. For hours from 13 to 23, we have to subtract 12 from the number of hours and write the time in PM. Here we have to write the time in PM, then we have to subtract 12. Okay, the last thing, if the hour is 0, that is on 24 clock. Okay, write the time in AM with 12 as the number of hours and the same number of minutes. If the time is 0 means we have to denote the number 12. Okay. For example, 12 hours, 24 hours. First one, 4:30 AM. Here AM, So we have to write the same 4:30 only. Next thing 6:20 p.m. But here only we have to convert that into 24 hours. So if the number pm means we have to add a 12 in the hours. So 6:20 means, that is, if you have to add the 12 to 6, the answer is 8:20. Okay. So for next example, 12 hours to 24 hours. First one 6 a.m. That is 6 o'clock. 7:30 p.m. Here we have to add the 12. Okay, Mama. So we have to add the 12 to 7 means 19:30 p.m. Okay, va? Okay. Okay. Thank you.